Yo, B. Mashawn, Rocket City Classic Cars. Getting my summer whip ready. BMW 128i, it is a 2009. It's been hibernating all winter long, but it's time to let the top down and get this thing back on the road. I haven't driven it in about 4 or 5 months. Gonna get some work done on it. See, I got the BMW coolant stuff ready for the oil change. I'm gonna try this this Euro full synthetic. See what that's talking about. Now I did get some ceramic brake pads for the rear, and as you can see, I got 2 rotors. So yeah, this is 128i BMW. I got about 138,000 miles on it. Some of you probably remember that I did buy this car at the auction for about $4,600 back in 2021. Yep, it's in pretty good condition. Still is. Leather is top notch. It's kind of dirty back there, but we're gonna get all that cleaned up. I thought about washing it today, but it looks like it's going to rain. But of course, I can still park it in the garage. Yep. So kind of a little dirty. Now I do need to get one of the seats repaired. It has a slight rip in it. Well, actually 3 rips, right there, and right there. I'm gonna get that all sorted out. Let me start her up for y'all. No. 138,000 miles. Everything works. AC blows cold. The top works. It's just an all-around solid car. I haven't done anything to it. It's pretty much stock, and that's how I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna put any fancy wheels on it. None of that. But it is dirty. It is dirty. Let's check out the hood, or what's under the hood. So yeah, it's gonna clean up real nicely when I finally give it a wash. But other than that, man, I'm just happy to have it back out. Like I said before, I'm gonna give it a new oil change out the brake pads and the rotors on the rear. It's about that time. Still got a lot of life left on the tread of the wheels. I mean, the tires, I should say. But yeah, I love the car. I love the car. Might get some new exhaust tips. But she's gonna clean up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it for a spin real quick. Next time you see this bad boy, it's going to be nice and clean. Well, I went ahead and decided to go ahead and wash the car. I told y'all it would clean up nice. Again, I haven't driven this car in about 4 months. I probably won't do that again because even though I was starting the car every week, the battery died on me. But now everything seems to be copacetic. Looks good. Looks good. Look at that top. Thankfully, it's not too hot today, so I didn't break too much of a sweat. Got the interior as well. So this one is ready for the weekend, ready for the summertime as well. As always, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We are out. Yep.